Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 7. And we have to find the values of a and b, where a and b are positive integers. But before we begin, I'll appreciate it if you would pause the video and try first. And if you're new here, consider subscribed and then turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload good questions like this. Now let's get started. Let's pay attention to the left-hand side of the equation. You can see we can establish some relationship between a, 2ab, and then b. You notice that if we multiply this one by 2, and then this one by 2, and then this b also by 2, we have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b. Now, if we multiply this 2a and then this 2b, we have 4ab. You see that? So let's do that right now. So we have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b. Now we are multiplying 2 by 2, so we have here to be 14. Awesome. Now we have been able to establish this relationship. Now you see that the left-hand side is not all that complete. If you factorize it, you face some difficulties, right? So what we are going to do is to make it complete. Let's add 1 to the both sides of the equation so that we get 2a plus 4ab plus 2b plus 1, and this is equal to 15. We just added 1 to this 14. Awesome. Now let's pay attention to these first two terms. We can take 2a out, right? So we have 2a into 1 plus 2b. Then from here, we can just group them. So we have 1 plus 2b. And this is equal to 15. I notice that this one is the same as this. So we can just write one of them. So we have 1 plus 2b. Then times, we have 1 plus 2a. And this one is coming from here, the coefficient of 1 plus 2b. And this is equal to 15. Awesome. Now, here is not equal to 0. So we can say that 1 plus 2b is equal to 15 or 1 plus 2a is equal to 15. We can't do that. But what can we do? Here is the deal. 15 over here is the same as 3 times 5. It is also the same as 1 times 15. It is the same as negative 3 times negative 5. Then it's also the same as negative 1 times negative 15. But guess what? In the question, we were restricted. The question says a and b are positive integers, right? So what does that mean? Now let's pay attention to what is here. It means that b is starting from 1. So when b is 1, we have 1 plus 2, which is 3. So it means that this whole thing should be greater than or equal to 3. Now let's pay attention to this one. The a over here is also a positive integer starting from 1. So when a is 1, we have this whole thing to be 3. So it implies that this one is also greater than or equal to 3. Now what does this greater than or equal to 3 here also means? It means that the two values multiplying to get this 15 must be greater than or equal to 3. So if you look at these ones, you can see this one is less than 3, this one is also less than 3, and then this one is less than 3 as well. So we are not going to consider this one. Now our attention is going to be on 3 times 5. So let's do some speculations here. It means that 2 plus 2b is equal to this one, or it is equal to this. So we will say that 1 plus 2b is equal to 3 and 1 plus 2a is equal to 5. Or it could also be that 1 plus 2b is equal to 5 and 1 plus 2a is equal to 3. So let's find the values in each case, right? So let's consider this one first. 1 plus 2b is equal to 3. what do you think will be the value of b? If we take this one and then move it here, we have 2b is equal to 2. So this implies that b is equal to 1. Then from this equation, we have 1 plus 2a is equal to 5. If we move this one here, we have 2a is equal to 4. So this implies that a is equal to 2. So it implies that when a is equal to 2, we have b is equal to 1. Now let's come to the second one. So I'll call this first case and call this second case. So considering the second case from the first equation, we have 1 plus 2b is equal to 5. Now making b the subject, we have 2b is equal to 4. So this implies that b is equal to 2 when we divide each side of the equation by 2, right? Then from here, we have 1 plus 2a is equal to 3. So this implies that 2a is equal to 2. Now if we divide each side of the equation by 2, we have a equals 1. So from here, when a is equal to 1, we have b is equal to 2. So in all, we can say that ab is equal to 2, then b is 1, and when a is 1, we have b to be 2. And guess what? This is our final answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please consider subscribed and then turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload good videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.